What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Face and cheek fat will just make your face look more rounder and less defined as it normally should be. And because the well-defined face with a strong jawline and cheekbones will instantly make you look more masculine and therefore more attractive, I created today's video to show you exactly how you can lose face and cheek fat the fastest way possible and also in a natural way. First of all, if you want to lose some face fat, doing a lot of face exercises will simply not work. Simply because the human body is not able to spot reduced fat. So you can simply not reduce fat on a specific area if you, for example, only focus on that one exercise. Basically, if you want to lose face fat, still one of the most effective ways is simply cutting down your weight and body fat percentage. Losing weight will help you to slim down both, so your body and face as well. Simply work out more, do some more cardio training, which is still one of the most effective ways to lose weight, and also have a balanced and healthy diet. I promise you this will already make a huge difference on how your face will look like. Alright, let's continue with number 2. Let's say your body already looks on point, so you're not overweight, but you still struggle with face and cheek fat. Then it might be because of some water retention in your face. Most of the times water retention is just a consequence of what you eat on a daily basis. For example, if you eat a lot of food that contains a huge amount of salt. So basically, if you think that water retention could be a possible reason for your face fat and chubby cheeks, then you should definitely try to cut it down and reduce your daily salt intake. Avoid especially highly processed foods, as they usually contain the most amount of salt. Besides that, another food that you should be careful with are basically any food that contain a lot of refined carbs. Like for example white bread, crackers and cookies, because they contain very little fiber and are digested rapidly, which can lead to spikes and crashes in your blood sugar level, and also a higher risk of eating too much of them. Instead, try to replace those refined carbs with whole grains, as they are way more healthy and more saturating as well. So in the end you will decrease the risk of gaining weight and therefore face fat as well. Alright, let's continue with the next way which will help you to lose face fat and chubby cheeks, which is simply sleeping enough. Sleep is one of the most important things that is needed for your health and also in order to lose weight. A lack of sleep can be a reason for an increased cortisol level, which is a stress hormone that comes with a long list of side effects, like for example gaining weight. Besides that, studies have proved that a lack of sleep can increase your food intake, slower your metabolism, and therefore can cause weight gaining. Basically, if you always have a lack of sleep, your face is more likely to gain weight and therefore look more chubby and less defined. So make sure that you always prioritize your sleep. I would personally recommend that you sleep each and every night 7 to 9 hours so that your body gets enough recovery. Let's continue directly with the next way, which is limit your alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol on a consistent basis can actually lead to increased facial fat and bloating as well. Alcohol is very high in calories and very low in nutrients, and therefore is one of the main reasons that can cause weight gain. So keep your alcohol consumption limited to prevent yourself from gaining unnecessary fat, especially in your face. And last but not least, drink more water. Yes, it might sound backwards, but drinking water is not responsible for any water retention. Instead, it can actually help you to get rid of it and also lose face fat as well. Also, drinking more water can decrease your calorie intake and boost your metabolism. So always make sure to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day. And that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also guys, make sure to smash a like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family, so I can help you out with daily videos to become your best version ever. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.